Pete the cat, the bus stop. Pete the cat got a job. He is a bus driver. Pete is at the bus stop. He honks the horn. Two cats hop on. A dog hops on at the next stop. Pete drives on a rocky road. This is not an easy job. What job does Pete really want? Rockstar.